Hi there, in today's tutorial I want to show you how you can easily insert image into any shape in Word. So if you want to add images into shapes in Word, this is how to go about it. So first I'm going to go to the insert tab here and then go to shapes, so you can pick any shape you want to insert images into. So these are the shapes over here, and then what I'm going to do is to pick any shape. So I'll pick this shape and then just draw this shape. So if I want to insert image into this shape, all I have to do is to right click here and then go to format shape, click on format shape, and then here under fill, open fill, and then you select picture or texture fill. Select that option. When you select that option, this was the last image I used, that is why it's still showing. But if you want to add your own image, just go to the insert tab here, and then you can see from here, you can select from a file, stock images, online pictures, from icon. So if you want to select from your PC, you can just go ahead and click over here. So all you have to do is to go to anywhere you have that image on your PC, just go through and then search for that image, and then you can go ahead and insert. So I'm going to insert this, click on this and select that, and you can see this image has been added into my shape. If you want to add more shapes and then add more images, the process is basically going to be the same. So this is another shape here that I want to use, so I can just select that. So this is the shape. If I want to have a perfect shape, I don't want to actually twist the shape, I can just hold down shift whilst I do the dragging. So this is actually going to be my shape at the moment. So go through the same process. You can just right click here, like I said, you go to format shape, and then make sure over here where we have the fill and line, just go there, and then that fill, just make sure you select picture or texture fill. So go ahead and then select insert. This is where you have the option to select your image, so you can easily go ahead and then select the image from wherever you have that image on your PC. Then you can go ahead and then do that. So here I can easily go to pictures here and then scroll through pictures and then select any image of my choice. So here what I want to do is I want to select this image here and then just insert it, and then you can see right here this image will fill into that shape. So basically this is how to insert image into any shape, basically any shape in Word. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Till I come your way again, bye bye.